Design of experiments, training for non-engineers. Why Tonex's design of experiments training. DOE training course description. The design of experiments training, DOE training for non-engineers course is designed to instruct you how to break down main drivers of disappointments utilizing connected insights. DOE additionally will give you the capacity of critical thinking, designing experiments, leading them, and dissecting the outcomes. Through this hands-on course, we will instruct you how to make breaking down perplexing, multi-level frameworks less complex without losing the exactness of examination. Audience. This is a 2-day course designed for the individuals who need to apply statistics in their work, yet have no engineering background. Quality managers and technicians. Scientists. Research and development personnel. Marketing and business analysts. Testing and manufacturing professionals. Training objectives. Design, execute, and interpret effective experiments. Identify root causes of a failure. Identify the effect of various input factors on the response variables, output. Develop effective solutions and improve the process to eliminate the current problems. Select appropriate design options and tactics to optimize and accelerate the process of getting the desired results. Apply DOE to improve the efficiency of the day-to-day operations and project management. Understand the principles of DOE conduct and apply t-test. Properly anticipate how many observations they need for an experiment. Choose the proper multiple comparison procedure for their situation. Allocate their observations among their K-treatment groups. Understand and perform F-test. Understand the principles of blocking. Exploit Latin square designs. Apply Greco-Latin square design. Crossover designs and their special clinical applications. Balanced and complete block designs, BIBD. Course outline. Introduction to design of experiments. Components of experimental design. Purpose of experimentation. Requirements prior to DOE execution. Comparative experiments. Single-factor experiments, ANOVA, in a completely randomized design, CRD. Blocking. Basic factorial designs. The 2K factorial design. Confounding and blocking in 2K factorial designs. The 2-level fractional factorial designs. The 3-level and mixed-level factorials and fractional factorials. Response surface designs. Robust designs. Experiments with random factors. Nested and split plot. Learn more about design of experiments training. DOE training for non-engineers. Visit Tonex.com. Since 1993, Tonex has specialized in providing industry-leading training, courses, seminars, workshops, and consulting services across a wide range of topics to Fortune 500 companies, government organizations, universities and privately owned businesses from around the world.